A very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we'll start with the new topic under Block 28, that is North India, a physical division. So our aim for today is students will be able to identify the features and explain the importance of the physical divisions of North India. Resources needed is a book of map, that is Atlas, your worksheet S2, notebook, exit content book, and the chart paper with a table. Okay, it is from the resource sheet that I will provide you. The keywords for today is physical, range, and silt. So let us learn what is the meaning of physical, range, and silt. Okay, so physical in sense denoting a map that is showing natural features of the landscape, they are known as physical. And what is range? It is a line or series of mountains, buildings, etc. They are known as range. And the last one is silt. What is silt? It is a mud or fine earth deposited from running or standing water. Those are known as silt. Now, see, if you were to go on a vacation, all right, take the example. If you were to go on a vacation, where will you prefer to go? That is in a vast, lonely desert, a cold, rock mountain, or a plain bustling with life and different types of food. So if you were, alright, if you are planning to go for a vacation, where would you prefer to go? Either a vast, lonely desert, a cold rock mountain, or a plain bustling with life and different types of food. Alright, you might choose different places for that. Okay, so see, um, all of you might have a different types of places, right, that you have chosen. Okay, so fortunately you can visit all these physical features in North India itself. Alright, means talking about this thing. Okay, the vast lonely desert, cold rock mountain, or a plain bustling with life and different types of food, all these features you will find in North India itself. Alright, now see, today we will learn about the physical divisions of North India. Alright, today we will learn about the physical division that is mainly of North India. Alright, so alright, I want all of you to refer to the physical map of India. Okay, that is in your atlas, and identify the mountain range, the plains, and the desert in North India. So here is a physical map that I'm going to show you. Okay, so from this map you have to identify, all right, you have to identify the mountain range, the plains, and the desert in North India. So remember, specifically now we are doing with North India. Okay, we are doing with North India, so try to focus on this area. Okay, if you are finding, don't go to the south or to the western or to the northeast. All right, so you have to focus mainly on the North India, and you have to find, all right, you have to find this given mountain range, the plain, and the desert in North India, specifically of North India. Okay, which are the mountain range that you see, the plain, the desert that you see in North India, you have to indicate. Okay, in physical map of India. All right, now I hope you got it. All right, so what are the physical divisions of North India? Like, what is the physical divisions of North India? How is it divided? Alright, so see, it is divided in the Himalayas. Number one is Himalayas. Number two is the northern plain. Number three is the Thar Desert in the northwestern part of India. Alright, this is how the North India is divided. Okay, northern plains, the Thar Desert, and the Himalayas. I'll just show you the map, right, how it is divided. So you'll see it is the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, and the northern plain. Okay, this area is known as the northern plain. All right, so this is how North India physical division is all about. All right, So now I will show you a chart paper, okay, that is from the resource sheet. And then you find the physical division of India, okay. So this is about what you are supposed to do. I'll read for you, please listen carefully. North India physical division. So you have to draw the following table on a chart paper. All right, you have to draw this particular you have to draw the following table in a chart paper, okay. Number one, Himalayas. All right, Himalayas. Name three countries through which the Himalayas pass. So here's a question from Himalayas, okay. So there are actually five questions, okay, where you have to answer, give the answer for all. Similarly with Northern Plain and the Thar Desert. Himalayas means you have to name three countries uh, through which the Himalayas pass. Talking about countries, okay. And number two, name four Indian states through which the Himalayas pass. You have to name the four states which the Himalayas pass, okay. And you have to name the three ranges of the Himalayas. Name the highest and the second highest point in Himalayas. Name two rivers flowing through the Himalayas. Regarding the northern plain, one is name three states through which the northern plains pass, including one northeastern state. Point number two, name three rivers flowing through the northern plains. Point number three, name the ocean into which this river flow. Point number four, what is the average height of the northern plains? The Thar Desert. Name the state in which the Thar Desert lies. Number two, name one city in the Thar Desert. Point number three, name the only river that flows through the Thar Desert. Point number four, name one hill range to the east of Thar Desert. So these are the answer question given, okay. Accordingly, you have to find the answer of each. Alright, that is after observing the physical division map of India, okay. Now you have to, in order to find that, you have to refer to the physical and political map of India, okay, in your atlas, and then you have to answer the given point. All right, all these point, in order to find the answer, you have to go to the physical map as well as the political map, okay. This is a physical map, and you have to find from the political map as well from your atlas. All right, now you have to share the answer, okay, in your table. All right, you have to you have to note down the answer in your notebook. All right, so if you see the answer to that are the Himalayas, okay. The Himalayas, that is, it passes through India, Nepal and Bhutan. All right, this is the country that Himalayas passes, okay. And the state are Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. All right, those are the four states which the Himalayas pass. All right, and the name of the Himalayas range are the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Shivalik range. Those are the mountain ranges of Himalayas. All right, and Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayan mountain range, and the second highest peak is Mount Kanchenjunga. All right, and then the two rivers under which the Himalayas flow is Ganga and Brahmaputra. All right, and the northern plains. Okay, and talking about the northern plains, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Assam, they falls under the northern plains, and the river it flows are Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Bay of Bengal. All right, and then the mountain range, it is mainly of 200-meter above sea level, okay. And that when you talk about Thar Desert, it lies in Rajasthan. All right, name the one capital city of Thar Desert is Bikaner. All right, and the river is Luni. Okay, the name of the river is Luni, and the mountain range you'll find is the Aravalli range. All right, those are the answer to the following question, okay. So you can compare your answer to that. Now similarly, why are the Himalayas important for India and the northern plain and the Thar Desert? So what are the importance of Himalayas, what are the importance of northern plains, and what are the importance of Thar Desert? All right, so listen here, okay. So see, we know that the Himalayas it influence the climate of India. All right, that is by preventing the cold winds from Central Asia from entering India, and also it's and stopping the monsoon winds from leaving India. Okay, because many rivers have their source high up in the mountains. All right, and also various tourist destination and adventure sports in the Himalayas, they attract tourists from all over the world. Okay, so people from all over the world, they used to come and visit the Himalayan mountain range. Now the northern plains, why they are important is because they are very fertile. All right, the land out there is very fertile. Okay, due to the silt that is brought down by the rivers, and are also ideal for cultivation of rice, wheat, and other crops. All right, so the rich culture heritage of the people, the desert safaris, and the numerous forts in and around the Thar Desert attract tourists from all over the world. So because of that, they each one of them they are important for India. Okay, all right. Now the last question for the day is you have to refer to the physical map of India. Okay, and you have to identify one main difference between the northwest India and northeast India. So you have to refer for this, you have to refer to physical map of India. All right, and you have to identify one main difference between the northwest India and northeast India. All right, that is from the physical map. Okay, northwest and northeast, I hope you know. This side is north. Okay, south, east, and west. Talking about northwest and northeast. Okay, so you have to find one difference between them. Okay, that is observing the physical map. I hope you are getting me. All right, so if you see, okay, if you try to observe the physical map, you'll find that a part of northwest India, all right, you know that a part of northwest India like Rajasthan and Gujarat, they are covered by a desert, okay, called Thar Desert. So while the most of the northeast India, they are covered by mountain and hill of varying height. So you'll see that in northeastern India, almost all of the mountain they are covered by mountains. All right, all of the places they are covered by mountain and hills of various height. All right, whereas in northwest India it is covered by desert. All right, so that's it. Things to do for today is you have to complete practice question number 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6 is your homework along with your worksheet S2. So that's it. All the best and have a good day. All right. But before that, let me just give you a brief explanation, okay, of how you're supposed to do. See, you have to mark the three ranges in the Himalayas in the map. So this is the map given, right? So you have to indicate the three ranges. All right, that is in the Himalayas. All right. So that's it.